Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Gray here, and today this is one of those anticipated videos that folks have been asking about. This is going to be the JASE giveaway, and someone out there that watches this video is going to be a lucky winner of an emergency antibiotic kit. And I'm going to go over a couple of specifications in this video. I have done a video in the past in regards to JASE specifically, and I want you guys to check that video out if you want a lot of my opinion and why this is beneficial to you folks. I will put the link down to my affiliate link down below as well if you guys want to check out JASE and their website and kind of get an idea. They have an FAQ section on their website as well that can answer a lot of your questions. JASE has partnered with they have it offer this offer is available to folks in the United States and Canada. A lot of people ask that question: is it available to me? Now overseas, it's a different ball game, but I know they have. You can order for if you're Canadian, you can order JASE Medical, or if you're an American in the 50 states. I was about to say the lower 48. You can order JASE Medical as well. So truly beneficial to you folks. A lot of folks, you question, what am I going to win? What's in that bag, Gray? This bag specifically here is what a lot of folks have you seen. You've probably seen lots of YouTube videos on this. And now if you're in the emergency preparedness community, and what do you get? So I'm going to go over that really quick so you folks can get an idea. And I also want to show you a cost comparison on that. And this is excluding, some people have better insurance than others and stuff like that. But again, I will link that video up here so that you can check it out towards the end of this video, as well as down in the description, and also the JASE Medical link that I have here. So what do you get? You're going to get, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different antibiotics. One is going to be amoxicillin. You get about 28 tablets of that. You get zithromycin, or some people say azithromycin, 250 milligrams, 6 tablets of that. That's what they call the Z-Pack. If you guys are familiar with the Z-Packs, when you go to the hospital or whatnot, they will give you that. Then you got Cipro. You get 500 milligram tablets. There are 28 of those. You get doxycycline, which is 100 milligram capsules, and you get 120 capsules of that. And then I call it Metro, but you can see the name. I'll throw it up there on the screen so you guys can follow along. 500 milligram tablets, and you get 30 tablets of that. And each medical bundle is, intended for emergency supply for one adult. So if you have a family of 3 or family of 4, something that you need to look into. And a lot of people ask about the pricing. And basically for U.S. patients, without any discounts or, any of that stuff like that, you're looking at about $259 if you're a U.S. resident, and about $435 if you're a Canadian resident. It's a huge thing, folks. And, this is why I'm really happy that Jase and I have teamed up together to offer this to some of you folks. And, I kind of want to show you a little, like I said, a cost comparison of their medications. Specifically, looking if you happen to pick up your medications at Target, Walmart, or Walgreens. And Jase kind of did all the footwork on this, and I'll throw it up on the screen that you can see it. For the Metro, at Target you're paying about $31, Walmart $27, and Walgreens about $34. And you can see the erythromycin about $37 at Target, $27 at Walmart, and about $40 at Walgreens. And the list goes on here, folks, and you can see it. So the bottom line is, if you were to buy all these medications at Target, you're looking at about $703. Walmart, you're looking at about $628, and Walgreens, you're looking at about 700 and I think 38 bucks, roughly, somewhere around there. And here's the thing: is this doesn't include your hospital visit, be it if it's a hospital that you go to, if it's a clinic that you go to. And so on and so forth. So you can see how the cost would extremely go up. Now, this is what a lot of people forget. You go to the hospital because you have a cold and they want to give you a Z-Pack to help you clear it up, right? That is one hospital visit. That's one hospital visit and one trip to the pharmacy. So in order for you to get 5 different types of antibiotics for 5 different situations, you would have to go to a clinic or a hospital roughly 5 times and incur that cost. Again, I'm not including those folks with the grade A medical insurance that may not have to pay anything for their medication or their hospital visits. These are folks that don't have that accessibility to them. So I kind of wanted to show that factor there, because a lot of people don't kind of pick up on that. You know what I mean? And I think it's very detrimental that you kind of look at the cost analysis. To me, this is extremely beneficial to you, my viewers, for having an antibiotic emergency kit in your preps. And again, like I said, I think here, I'll throw this up on the screen as well. This is an FAQ. People are questions about, pricing. How much is it? How much does a visit cost you? What forms of payment do they accept? Can I place an order over the phone? Shipping questions, emergency medication questions, questions about JASE Medical and stuff. As you can see here, they have a lot of those things in their FAQ. You can go there, you can scroll through there. It's free. There's no cost to kind of do the research and look through there what's going to, be some of those questions. A lot of folks are going to ask, well, what about if I'm allergic to this specific antibiotic? Once you meet with the JASE Medical staff, they can supplement certain things in and out of that pack. So let's say for some reason you're having an allergic reaction to amoxicillin, but you're okay with the Z pack or the Cipro or something like that. They can double up on something like that versus giving you something that you're allergic to. That's why you have to have the consultation and whatnot. So I think that's, like I said, it's a very clean site, very easy to maneuver. Another thing I wanted to show you before I kind of wrap this thing up and tell you what you have to do to be a part of this giveaway between JASE and the GreyMan Prepping community. But I wanted to show you Shawn Rowland. He's the founder of JASE. He is a doctor. And if you go to their website, you'll find the same exact what I'm showing you here on the screen, and you can get a little bit of information about these docs if you want to do research on these docs. That's up to you, folks. Like I said, sometimes you have to do a little legwork if you're very inquisitive and want to know what everything entails. Me, that's how I am. I kind of question everything and look at everything, be it if it's cost, be it who I'm dealing with, who I'm working with, and so on and so forth. Another one of their doctors is Lisa Baird. Then you have Andrew Thomas, and then Brandon Webb, who is a infectious disease expert that's on their staff. So they have a well-rounded staff, folks, and this is just the main staff here. But you can see this company is not just some sort of fly-by-night throw together company. These are docs wanting to help the preparedness community. A lot of folks ask me, well, how shelf stable these things are and stuff like that. I mean, and it all comes down to storage. And they answer some of those questions on that website as well. But again, I will link the video basically in this description here as well, up here and down below. So what do you guys are curious? Well, Grey, what do we need to do to enter this giveaway? And when are you going to draw the winner? Well, pay attention. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, which is very simple because most of you watching are subscribers. If you're not, please subscribe. That would be very helpful and beneficial to the channel. I truly appreciate that. If you can give this video a thumbs up to show support for JASE Medical and myself, and support for you, the community, for doing this and putting this all together and having an opportunity to win something like this, a life-saving giveaway. That's how I look at this, life-saving giveaway, because this could be something detrimental to a lot of folks. Something as a small infection, during a SHTF scenario can take a person down and possibly lose their life. I don't know how important, how I can stress how important this is. Anyways, let me continue. So all you got to do is be subscribed to the channel. I can verify that. Like the video. That would be very appreciative. And third, drop a comment down below and just say, you can say anything from things like, we appreciate you, Grey, we appreciate JASE Medical, or you can say, pick me. You can choose whatever you want. Just drop a comment below. I won't be able to comment back on a lot of them because usually videos like this get a ton of comments, which is awesome. But I will try to heart every video to show you that I did acknowledge that you dropped a comment and appreciate the support. Other than that, folks, that's how simple this is. Now, when are we going to do the drawing? So this Thursday coming up, which is what? Today's Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, this Thursday on my live stream at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will use the YouTube comment picker to draw a winner from this specific video. So you need to drop a comment in this video. I will drop all the, I will put this video in my Discord. I will share it out on other platforms. And if you could do me a favor, folks, if you already have a JASE Medical supply, or if you want to, get this word out, share it on your social media platform, share it on Twitter, share it on Getter, share it on, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you can, folks, share this out, and maybe it can help somebody. and maybe you can help somebody in need, right? That's what it's all about, you know, in the preparedness communities, is being prepared for what may come down the pipe and being ready for emergencies. All right, folks, really look forward to engaging with you folks. I'll be live on Tuesday night. We could talk more about this then. But again, Thursday night will be the drawing. Like I said, and I like using the YouTube comment picker. It just seems to be the most fairest way to do this. Everyone, please be safe out there. Know you're not alone. This is GreyMan. I'm out. God bless.